Hey guys, this is Adrian Boysel, and we are at the beautiful Wedding Gardens in Newcastle, California. And I'm here to support my wife, who is an entrepreneur like myself. And you know, that's what I'm all about. I love entrepreneurship. I love helping small businesses. So I've been here filming, interviewing vendors, interviewing guests, and we're putting together amazing footage. But I had some thoughts while I was here, some things that I wanted to share with you guys that I felt would be very important if you ever are trying to build your business, build your brand, and build a community. The first thing that I want to share with you is you gotta take risks. This is what my wife did, and this is why this event that she had, you'll see some of the footage that we're gonna put in here, was super big and super successful, and that's because she took a big risk. She took a chance on herself. She believed in what she was doing. You gotta have a high level of belief in whatever you're doing, whether it's graphic design, web design, marketing, sales. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to have that confidence and that belief that carries over into other people. That belief is contagious. She had hundreds of people that came out to this event and dozens of volunteers and people that helped support that drove from very far away. Even my mom, who came all the way from Santa Rosa. So it's really important that you take a chance on yourself and take that leap of faith and take risks. Without risks, there is no reward. And my wife is getting to experience that this weekend for the first time. The second thing I want to tell you is you got to be creative. It wasn't just about doing an event, but it was about how can she support her community? How can she support other entrepreneurs, other moms, other female leaders in her community and empower them? Well, she knew that this event could be the thing, but she had to make it unique. It was called Mom's Day Out. Not Ladies' Day Out, not Girls' Day Out, but Mom's Day Out. This was an event specifically for moms to come out, celebrate, be empowered, shop, drink mimosas. She had a lot of fun. And then this event isn't even over yet. There's still about 45 minutes left. So you got to get creative. You got to think outside the box. You got to do something different, do something that nobody else has done before. A lot of people do events, but what's unique about your event? I want to make sure that if you do an event like I'm going to be doing at the end of the year for Instagraphics, if you've been following my journey, you know about Instagraphics. If not, definitely hit the like button and the subscribe button because you need to know what's happening with our community, with graphic designers, and check that out. The last tip and the big thing I want to share with you and what I'm taking away is community. We're at 3 C's: chance, creativity, and community. These are the 3 core principles that my wife is really focused on, that I'm really focused on. That's why you're here watching this video, is I'm trying to build community and do life with people like yourself who are hungry, motivated, and passionate. And that's exactly what my wife is doing. She knows who she wants to target, who she wants to help, who she wants to support. You gotta be clear about what you're going after, and having a community that you can pour into and do this for and bring them all out is key. She got to charge them to do a vendor space and to have their own booth, but there are people out here making thousands of dollars over the course of this weekend, expanding their brand, expanding their businesses, and growing their reputation in the community. So community is huge. That's what we're all about, and you need to add value back into your community. So this is gonna be a fairly short video, but I want to invite you to my community, the Instagraphics Pro Network on Facebook. We're building it in some other places as well, but that's kind of secret right now. That's gonna be enrolling here and rolling out over the next few weeks. But I just wanna thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Enjoy the footage. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. God bless you guys, and as always, keep looking up.